Installing APKs on your Samsung Smart TV.
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to answer a question many of you have been asking. Can I install APKs from websites other than the Google Play Store on my Samsung Smart TV?
Understanding APKs.
First off, let's talk about APKs. APK stands for Android Package Kit. This is the file format used by Android for distributing and installing apps.
Is your Samsung Smart TV compatible?
Now, let's talk about Samsung Smart TVs. They primarily use a different operating system known as Tizen. Because of this, they cannot natively run Android APK files. So, if your TV runs Tizen, you're out of luck. However, some newer Samsung TVs do have an Android-based operating system. If your TV runs an Android-based system, you may be able to install an APK. But, be cautious. Installing APKs from untrusted sources can expose your device to risks like malware.
Installing APKs from other sources.
Let's assume that you have an Android-based Samsung TV. To install APKs, you'll need to enable the installation of apps from unknown sources. This is typically found in the security settings of the device. After that, you will need to download the APK file. You can do this via a web browser on your TV, or download the file on another device and transfer it to your TV. Remember, download APKs only from trusted sources. Once downloaded, you can open the APK file on your TV to start the installation process. So, can you install APKs from websites other than the Google Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV? The answer is, it depends. If your Samsung TV runs an Android-based system, then yes, with the appropriate caution and steps. However, if your TV runs Tizen or another OS, then no. Remember, be cautious with APKs from the web, as they can sometimes contain malware. Always use trusted sources. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.